Everyone. So I've been asked to come up with a couple of quick in-field repair videos for two problems that people might face if they open up their ShiftPod incorrectly or something goes wrong. Here are the two things that can happen. Either you can break a ferrule like this, which is a real bummer, or you can actually snap a carbon fiber pole in half. It takes a lot to do this. This is not something that happens very often, but just in case, I like to keep at least one of these little sleeve units handy. I'll put it right over here, make sure all the pieces are tucked in, then put the other side in, push it together, glue it in place with maybe some super glue or whatever you have in your medical kit, and now you're back in business. It's a good temporary in-field fix. That's really simple. In this case, you'd actually take some super glue and glue the ferrule back on, and then you have to drill it out. Make sure and wear a glove so you don't drill holes in your fingers. And as you're drilling it out, make sure you get it as deep as possible. You're going to get a lot of white fiberglass powder out of there, so don't breathe any of that. And don't leave it laying around for people to find. Use a nail or a screw to reinforce the break. Put a bunch of super glue or whatever glue you're using in there, and then drop your nail in. So super glue. Be generous, don't make a mess, and nail, keep it in there, let it dry, and then you'll be able to put it back into the hub and use it until you get home and get new parts from us. Here's the spar with the field repair, and we're just going to take the hub off. I'm going to put the spar tip into the pocket up there, pop it into the hub like so. Trying to do this with one hand. Bear with me. Okay, so all four are back in there. There's the fixed one. Spin the hubcap on. This is literally the unit I'm taking out to the playa. So I just want to show you how this works. And we're gonna let the hub roll to one side. Boom. There you go. Bob's your uncle. All fixed, no problem, super easy. When you get back, call us for parts if you have a problem.